If you like, you can join me on how to set up Docker with Statamic. For doing that, we'll use Laravel Sail. There are 3 steps we need. We need to clone the default Statamic repository. We need to require Laravel Sail via Composer. And we need to install Sail. Yeah, that's it. But before getting started, we need Docker, of course. So we go to docker.com, get started, and we can choose the version we need. I got Docker running already, so you need to do that, but that's pretty straightforward. The next thing, I want to install Statamic. Let me show you the docs. There are multiple ways how you can do that. I won't follow any of those. I like just using Composer to get Statamic. I like to use Composer, create project, Statamic. I want to call it cool. That's just the name for the application. And it's pulling it down from GitHub just as you know it. Okay, that's done. Just if you wonder about the command composer create, this is used one way to install Laravel, for example. And you can do that with lots of repos. Laravel.com, documentation, installation, and there's a via composer. I'm not choosing Laravel. I'm choosing Statamic. And what it does is setting up Statamic. And that's exactly what we need. Just. So this is a plain Statamic project. Now we only need to require Sail. If you need some information about Sail, there's always the Laravel documentation, which is great. Sail is a package, so you'll find it down here. Let's go to Sail. And well, we need to install it, and we need to require it via Composer. We want to install it as a dev dependency. Let's do that. Composer require Laravel Sail. That's it. We need to install it. Yeah, we don't want a database. We need to choose one anyways. So let's say MySQL. And what it does, it's creating a Docker Compose file right here. Let's close it. And there are a few more things than we need, but Statamic is helping out here. So if you're on the documentation page, there's a setup guide for Docker. And there's a great config which we want to use. Let's copy it over. Okay. And as the docs say, we need to start Sail with the command sail up. There's an alias which we want to use. Let's do that first. Otherwise, we need to type when sail. That's not fun. We need to add the alias. Let's copy it. So you can use the CLI of your choice. I'm using iterm2 here. So I need to go back a few steps. Oops. Yips. It's Vim. I'm using. This is my config file. And if I'm going down, you can see I added it already as an alias. So if it's not there, you need to do that once. And after that, let's go back to our cool folder. Let's close that. Sorry about it. Okay. And now we can simply say sail up. Let's do that. And it's starting our container. It might fail. Let's see. Yips. The address 80 has already been used or is in use. So we need to use a port, and as I'm using Laravel Valet as well, the port 80 is taken. So I'm choosing something like that. Just one more time, I'm replacing this bit with something like 8000. You can use, I don't know, all those 8080 or 90, they are free. I'm using 8090. You could use whatever you like. And now I can start it up again. And here we are. Now we can see the log. So I need to type localhost. And localhost won't work. We need to add our port 8090. If you're using a different port, or if you're using 80, well, just type it. If using 80, you don't need to type anything. That's the default, but this is my setup right now. And as you can see, it's working. And that's actually it. There's nothing more to it. It's running. And the great thing is, if you want to change your PHP version, you can choose a different runtime. So right now, those supported runtimes are 7.4, 8, and 8.1. Let me show you the vendor folder. Laravel, that's here. Sail, runtimes, 7.4, 8, and 8.1. So we can simply say 8.1. If doing that, we need to not only to say sail up, we need to build the containers once. This is a Docker command. So it's rebuilding our containers so we can choose a different runtime. You could simply do that. I'm not doing it right now, as it might take a little while. Sail up. Remember -d? -d does tell the command line to run it as a daemon, so it's running in the background. Let me show you. I'm running it in the background. And now I can use the command. I can use sail, please. That's not working. We need to use the artisan command. Sail artisan. And now we will see all the available commands. And we got all Statamic commands as well. So let's create a user. Where is our user? Make user. There it is. Statamic make user. Sail artisan Statamic make user. Yips. Mail at test.com maybe. My name. Let's choose a password. Say super yes. Mail at test. My password. And here we are. And you're running Statamic with Docker with Laravel Sail. Have fun. I hope you did enjoy it. Let me know.